Hello there. Basically, here's a Tamiya Subaru brat that I've actually converted into a four-wheel drive vehicle, and I'm just going to give you a short of it. Found this thing in a barn, and I'm already going to grab the camera to help show you guys what's going on underneath. But I found this in the barn. It was missing the body, missing the entire front suspension, and all I had with it was the old manual and some other simple, like, how do I say, paperwork for this thing. But I had enough parts laying around that I gathered just from various lots I've come across, and I just put it together because I was tired of seeing four-wheel drive on those Tamiya bodies that were Subaru brat bodies that said four-wheel drive but never were four-wheel drive. So as we're going to see, it's obviously that, and I'm going to turn the one rear wheel. It'll eventually turn that wheel. There is no diff in this, but I've only drive this for off-road use, and it is fun. It is very, very fun. Another note for people who do use these off-road, if you don't want to do a four-wheel drive conversion, just mount the bumper above the bumper mount. It helps a lot with going over obstacles. But anyways, I basically have used a aluminum pulley that I pressed onto this drive cup, and then I just ran a basically belt up to here with another aluminum pulley with a pin on it. Then I cut down technically a Vortex shaft, put flat spots on it. Put random, I think Kyosho drive cups that are hidden in there, and then I just used a random CVD I had laying around with Kyosho or Durtrax Maximum aluminum knuckles. And I just had random Tamiya hardware and Traxxas hardware that made the A-arms stable, and then a lower link that basically helps stabilize the lower A-arm better than the top one because it takes more of a load. But also it is my actual shock mount for my shocks, of course. Then, at the same time, the only thing I had really left of this thing was the chassis, transmission, and one of the trailing arms in the back of the rear tires, and all the electronics. Everything else was just gone. But yeah, I had the hardware, or the paperwork for some reason. Anyways, this all works. I haven't driven in a long time because the link from this to the throttle steering wheel came off, but I wanted to get a video out and try and get some good shots to show you guys how I actually assembled it. It's just that simple. Just four-wheel drive belt, drilled, and basically put bearings in here, and then it's very hard to explain any more than this, but hope this helps you guys.